So how's it going, guys? So we got here a Toyota Sienna. I think it's a 2006, and just changed out the battery, and the car is not idling like it should be. It feels like it's about to die, or I heard sometimes it doesn't even want to run. So to fix that is actually pretty easy. Me being a mechanic that works at Pep Boys, I just learned this a couple of days ago, and actually didn't know this just because I haven't really worked on Toyotas. But apparently Toyotas don't save the memory for the idle. But it's a really easy fix in case you just changed the battery for your car and you feel like it's not running like it used to. This is a pretty easy trick to fix that. So first thing what you're going to want to do is make sure the car is somewhat warmed up. You guys can see mine is pretty much warmed up now. And then once it is warmed up and it's still idling bad, what you're going to want to do is turn it off, and then turn it on to the on position once, and then again, and then turn it back on. And then after you do that, you're going to want to put your handbrake on. For me, it's going to be down there. But depending on what type of car you have, like a Corolla, it might be on the hand right here. So, that's that. And then after you do that, you're going to want to put it into drive. Slowly let out the brake pedal, just in case your handbrake isn't that good. And you just leave it like that. And after about, I don't know, probably a few minutes, it should relearn itself and go back to idling correctly like it should. If that doesn't work, and you had already probably drove it around and stuff, and it still doesn't fix it, then you're going to want to disconnect the battery again and basically redo the steps from the beginning and not drive it around like I'm doing right now, just because I just did that. I drove it around and it didn't fix it. But once you disconnect the battery again and do basically the procedure again, it should fix it like it did for me. You can slowly hear it getting better and better. Like I can feel the car getting better and relearning the idle. You can see it's going up as well. So yeah, one of the main things that you'll mainly feel after you change the battery is that you'll feel that it's like low power, like you have to really stomp on the gas in order to make it move. That's what really concerned me. But this customer, that's what the customer said actually, that it feels like low power. And then I looked at it, and it turns out Toyotas don't actually save the idle memory. But as you guys can see now, it's back to normal. It was at around the first line, which is about 500. Now you can see that it actually went up a little bit to about 650, 600-ish, which is a bit better. It doesn't sound like it's dying as much. So I'm going to leave it like this for a few more minutes. Hopefully it fixes itself, which I'm pretty sure it will. And make sure to leave a like down below and comment to see which type of car you guys had and if it fixed the problem for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.